song about scientific notation by Luke Park and Will Spelcer. Oh, scientific notation, how I love your powers. You are so great, you're like a petal on a flower. With positive and negative, multiplying by 10 makes me want to do it again. Each time you get larger, you make me smarter. And now I know that math can't get any harder. Your magical base, it makes me an ace, a decimal between the numbers 1 and 10, makes me want to do it again. Makes for quite the equation, and gives me quite the elation. After that comes the multiplication symbol, that magical symbol, that makes me nimble. Unlocks the gates of mathematics in my spectacular life. You are so great and as exciting as a fight. Oh, scientific notation, how I love your powers. You are so great, you're like a petal on a flower. Multiplying by 10 makes me want to do it again. Each time you get larger, you make me smarter. And now I know that math can't get any harder. Following the number 10, which makes me want to do it again, along with the power, which is an awesome like a flower. When you move the decimal, you have the power to simplify this equation. Or scientific notation, how I love your powers. You are so great, you're like a petal on a flower. With positive and negative, multiplying by 10 makes me want to do it again. Each time you get larger, you make me smarter, and now I know that math can't get any harder. Exponents are vital, they are second in PEMDAS, showing that they are second to none. When creating this arrangement, it must be crafted correctly. Find a number between 1 and 10, multiplied by a power of 10. Then you can own it like a monopoly. All you must do is move the decimal of scientific notation. How I love your powers. You are so great. You're like a petal on a flower. With positive and negative, multiplying by 10 makes me want to do it again. Each time you get larger, you make me smarter. Now I know that math can't get any harder. The scientific notation, how magical and splendid you really are.
As you can see from this demonstration, there are 3 parts to scientific notation. First, a base number between 1 and 10, the multiplication symbol, and lastly, the number 10 with a specific exponent. It could be positive or negative. Scientific notation. This is the end of this educational lesson. If you need more assistance, please consult our friend Maddie Muggs in the near future. Or you can also consult this guy. Here are our bloopers, also known as Will's Message.
This is our song about scientific notation by Will Spelcer and Luke Park. Oh, scientific notation, how I love your powers. You're so great.
Don't you just love scientific notation?
I sure do. This is our song about scientific notation by Luke Park, Cole Patton, and Will Spelcer. This is our song about scientific notation by Will Spelcer, Cole Patton, and Luke Park. Scientific notation, how I love your powers. You're so great.